This little video is just going to show you where your grades are and where to also check for your feedback, the feedback that I give you, your English teacher, or any of your teachers give you through your courses here at J21VA. So the first thing you would do, this is your landing page that you see in Schoology. You would obviously go to your course, and I'm just going to do English 12, but this is also applicable to English 9. So you would click on the course, and every Tuesday or Wednesday, usually by Wednesday morning, all grades will be up to date in Schoology. Now, if you submitted late work, that doesn't necessarily count. So I will grade all assignments that were submitted on time on Sunday. I will definitely have them in the grade book graded by Wednesday. If you submitted late work, however, I usually get that graded by the end of the week, maybe by Friday. Also, be sure that if you do submit late work, that you email me or message me if you submitted something late. Because the thing is, Schoology does not notify me when something is submitted late. So if you submit something late that's, maybe 2 weeks late, I won't know that you submitted it because Schoology doesn't update me on that. It's your responsibility to contact the teacher to let them know if you submitted late work, because late work is still 75% credit and it definitely needs to be graded. So be sure that you are an advocate for yourself and let your teachers know that. So the way you would check your grade every, I would say, Wednesday would be to click on grades on the left-hand side, and then this would pull up. Now, this is again for English 12, but this is applicable for any course here at J21VA. And you can see that last week we worked on the introduction unit. So this week we're working on Unit 1. Unit 1 is in progress right now. And I have not submitted anything. The student has not submitted anything for Unit 1 yet. The introduction that we worked on last week, the assignments are here, however, and you can see that the assignment point 3 using Google is graded, and the comments here, you can find comments in really two places. One is over here on the right-hand side. Sometimes I just leave comments there and that don't direct you to do anything else. But if you see a comment that directs you to go somewhere else, please do so to find my feedback, because I expect you to review the feedback so that you can improve on the next assignment. So it says here, click on assignment in Dropbox for feedback. Okay, well, I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on the assignment and then click on the assignment in the Dropbox. And then feedback will be over here on the right-hand side. This is another place to look for feedback right here on the right. And or this document hasn't loaded into Schoology yet, but occasionally I'll also put feedback in the actual document. So if there is a comment that says go look for feedback, please do so, because that's where we have our conversations as far as, again, getting better grades. So when someone asks, what did I miss? This is the place to go to find out what assignments you haven't submitted yet. So you can see that, yes, the student submitted using Google, but the due date is also right after the assignment. And you can see the due date for the student survey was 8/25, which is past. And normally I would change this to a 0. I'm not doing that for the introduction folder, but this will be a 0 if you do not submit your work on time, so that you know what you need to go back and complete. If there's a 0 there, that's late work that you can still submit within the unit for 75% credit. And scrolling down a little bit, you can also see that the student also submitted a point 1 syllabus quiz and received 17 out of 30. Okay, so that is the way to look for feedback and comments in class. If you have any questions, you can always contact your teacher. Thanks.